ละครอย่าบาร์อชกษะลิงดอรายกชนงมาลามนดุกปอร์ขันอาร์บจีชิเตงสงีจงกสันตริกอุยยองอาร์จาร์อาร์บุสันฮักปอร์ฮญโยบจีจันเมดปัดกันสดังกับเฮาซีบัมเปอร์ฮากบักไพรส์กะลองสันหลักทิงกากระดอร์จงกับติเกตกะลองไลสปาชิติเกตบัดคัดสันสปาชิชี
Myntri beri khmi ikatanan Excise ke Sorkar jalla uba kerman chilla hakashi tarik uya yang arja arpusan ula Pyntip bakatanat kan Khang Shipor ban I license ban pli yaki wine store bathamai kumjo yaki bonded warehouse namar ka jingdon ka jingpen mai renti yaki kendon hakaban I yaki license Habakran sekilat pathai kubor ba kerman chilla ulong baka jingpen sange kadai ban pet ngor bhaya ka rukam bu yaki wine store bat ki bonded warehouse hakaleng ki jaka Ulang ru bagajing I license kala ban urlong tang lada yo jingbet nakasnong ne urang ba snong lingba kan no objection certificate hakabe dei pat bat ki dukan ki badan lupa ulang bagi dangla ban petang ya ke dukan jongki bat ya kajing pen kan ria jakapan kala ban long tang lada ki don kajing ujor bat ki jing tho na ki try dukan
As of now we have stopped all this license for the retail shop and even for the bonded warehouse as of now so the reason that we stop it is that to monitor all these things where is their location located and then the numbers of we do have the numbers no doubt but we want to do a study where exactly to increase the number of this wine shop if needed in future so for this no doubt whenever we have the number one paper the most required paper is that the NOC from the local headman so whenever we have I mean the applicant he have this NOC from the Ramba Shnong and then he can go ahead with a different kind of paperwork to be completed and then go ahead with the license. So we issue a license only when they have this NOC from the headman. So as per your question you mentioned about that some located near to schools or near to hospitals. So if there is such kind of things we can look into it. Because we will not issue any new license to those. The existing, the old one, it might have been there. It's not in my knowledge yet, but because there are procedures to be followed, so which we will not allow that to happen.
Will you ask the department to verify if there are any such?
Yes, we will look into this criteria. So it has to be followed strictly the criteria. So that is the norms to be followed and we will do that. We'll make sure that it happens. That is why we stop all the license as of now temporarily where we'll come with a new mechanism that after the thorough study about this, we will go for a new issue of license. So the reason we stop is for that only. We have a few complaints and then from the existing wine shop mentioning that there are times that they don't have a proper sale which is difficult for them so based on that complaints we stop it and then we will study the case and then only we'll go ahead with a new license and even for that also if suppose today we saw a number of wine shop is very less in one particular area but the sale is high we want to give a license we cannot issue it directly until unless they avail those paper required.
What about the existing ones?
The existing, it carry on. Relocation will be only done if they request for relocation. The applicant has to do that. The existing, we cannot touch them. We cannot relocate them from the department until unless they request for it.
So the officials will carry out a spot visit to the areas where
actually, sports visit it has been done from time to time because we have officers in all the district level. So they have done that. That is the duty.
What type of mechanism are you referring to?
As of now is under the process. We are studying the case, so I cannot say exactly. So the officers will know it best to do. So we just give them a direction that this has to be done. That we have to study a proper study where to increase the number or where to keep a store. So yes, the officers is doing the job.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya